Welcome to 173 Kanunu Court, located in the mountain community of Kanunu Falls, just outside of Brevard, North Carolina. Lakefront homes are hard to come by, but it's especially hard to find one with such an incredible combination of features. First, this high-end custom home has been meticulously maintained by its owners. Secondly, it sits on a large, totally flat lakefront lot with incredible outdoor spaces. And thirdly, it's a one-level living layout. That's quite a combo. This custom home was built by high-end home builder Jerry Brown, and it's been meticulously maintained and upgraded by its owners. In 2015, the kitchen was fully remodeled with high-end granite and new GE monogram appliances. All major systems have also been updated. Moving into an updated home that's been well cared for means you can focus more on enjoying lake life. This 0.8 acre lot has over 180 feet of lake frontage and a sprawling front yard with a patio, which is great for eating spring and summer meals and throwing great parties. The yard also gets great sun exposure for gardening, and the dock is easily accessible, so a sunset boat ride will be a part of your daily routine. This is an exceptional one-level living floor plan. The home was designed to create views of the lake from almost all the rooms, and all the rooms are a short distance from the centrally located kitchen. The formal living room and dining room create a great impression when entering the house. The sunroom off the kitchen is filled with light and surrounded by lake views, making it great for relaxing and spending time with family. Lakefront houses like this don't come along very often, so make an appointment today to see 173 Kanunu Court in Kanunu Falls.